Hi friends, welcome back to channel Spykar. In this I'm going to give you some of the important tips and tricks how to save the battery life in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So you might be wondering why I'm making this kind of video, because the Realme GT Neo 2 has got 5000 mAh of battery capacity, so it should not be a problem, right? But recently with the software update, which is October security patch update, few of the users are actually facing the issues in the Realme GT Neo 2 regarding the battery backup. It's not that great when compared with in the starting. This is the comments which I'm getting on the Realme GT Neo 2. So is any fix or not? Will it be fixed after the Realme UI 3.0 update or not? I'm getting this kind of comments. So one thing is, friends, right now I did not use the Realme UI 3.0, so I cannot answer that question. But what I can do is that I can actually give you some of the tips and tricks how to save the battery life in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. This is what this video is about. So definitely in the Realme UI 3.0, as soon as we get that, will be early access update in this phone. So once after the early access, the stable version also will be different and the early access will be different. So it will be close to anywhere close to 1 to 2 months of time to get that stable version. So till then you need to find out some other way how to fix this kind of battery draining issues. So first thing is that you need to go to the display and always try to select the option maybe 15 seconds and 30 seconds for the auto screen off, in case if you want to save some battery and juice. So and next thing is to select the auto refresh rate. So instead of high and 60 Hz, try to select the auto refresh rate, so it automatically changes when it's not required. So these are the two things. And so next thing in the battery section, try to go to the more options, more battery settings. So here we do have the option which is called optimized standby mode. So in this, try to select the option which says ultra standby mode. So once you select the ultra standby mode, what is that? Whenever your screen is off, some background applications will be closed to reduce the power consumption. At night, the battery consumption will be further reduced when your phone is in ideal state, as you can see. So if you want, you can enable this ultra standby mode as well. That also prevents slightly better, it will give the really good battery backup if you try to use ultra standby mode. That's also one option is available. And next is app quick freeze. So in case if you want to freeze any kind of application, you can actually do that. So auto freeze off, and if you want, you can freeze that. So automatically some of the applications which are not which you select, they will be completely freezed, I mean force stopped, so they won't utilize any power in the background. So you can actually do that. If you want, you can do that using this kind of method. So apart from that, there's a couple of other methods. Always turning off the GPS as well location. Try to turn off the GPS location. Sometimes that might be draining slightly more battery. So next option I can actually tell you, let's go to the Wi-Fi connection. In the Wi-Fi connection, try to go to the advanced settings and try to disable this option in case if you want to save slightly more battery. Scanning always available, so allow location services and certain applications to scan for networks even when the Wi-Fi is turned off. So you need to disable this option as well in case if you want to save a little bit kind of battery, just a little bit, not a huge. So these are the few tips and tricks which I can actually give you, friends, in the Realme GT Neo 2. And don't use the live wallpaper as well. So if you want, you can use the complete AMOLED type of live wallpapers, maybe complete black color themed wallpapers. Those also may affect sometimes, but there's a few tips and tricks which I actually give you on the Realme GT Neo 2. And moreover, do not use the external RAN capabilities. Try to turn off. Yes. So turning off the external RAN capabilities also can slightly improve the battery life. Turn off the external RAN capabilities and let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are the things did you use to save the battery life. So that will be really helpful for me and other users as well who are actually facing these issues in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any queries, let me know in the comment section below. So overall, the screen on time we should be getting around in this phone 7 hours. 7 hours of total screen on time you should be able to get in this device without any kind of issues. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.